Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix Google Gemini double check response. The message double check response is Google Gemini usually appears when Gemini cannot verify the information it generated or when there is a temporary connection or processing problem. Let's see how to fix Google Gemini double check response problem. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Gemini application. Go to Apps Info, click on Storage, again click on Clear Data, tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store, go to search Gemini app, update your Gemini application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your Gemini application. You can follow all of the steps to fix Google Gemini double check response problem in Google Gemini application. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.